Hello, so I will be adding uh, 5.62, negative 5.62 plus negative 12.9, and this is how I would do it. So I will go negative 5.62 plus negative 12, my bad. Oh no, oh man. Okay, so I would put 12.6, no, 12.9, and you add the 0, so it could be, and then you will add it, and then it will be 2 plus 0 is 2, and then 6 plus 9 is 15, add the 1, put your decimal, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and you add your 1, and you get 18.52, and this is how you would check. So you will go round that, so if you look here, it's a 6, it's 5 and above, so you would round up, so it would be 6 plus 12, look at the 9, round up, 12 plus, and then it would 6 plus 13, so that would be 19. This is how you would subtract decimals. So 15.39 minus 2.60, and you would put a 0 for the placement, and then you would subtract. So 9 minus 0 is 9. You would borrow 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then place your decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And your answer is 12.79. This is how you would multiply decimals. So you would write out your problem, and you do not have to line up when you multiply decimals. So 2 times 7 is 14. Then 0 times 7 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So then you would count up how many decimal places you have. So that would be 2 and 1. So you have 3 decimal places. And 1, 2, 3. And your answer would be 2.814. Thank you for listening. This is 3.3, how to divide decimals. So you will get a 0.2, and that you would divide that into 1.06. You move your decimal over, and you do the same here, and you bring it up. Put your decimal point right there, and then you shall divide. So 2 does not go in, 0.2 goes into 10 5 times, so with 2 left over, no, 5 times, and no left over, and 0, and you bring down the 6, and then 2 goes into 6 3 times, so your answer should be 5.3. 5.3. So this is how you would do a subtraction equation. So you would add 5, and this would cancel out. 5.8, of course. And then you would add 5.8 here, and then that would be Okay, that would be 7. So your answer would be W equals 7. This is an addition equation. So you would subtract 3.91, that would cancel out, and then 3.91 from here as well. Then you would subtract that, so you would need to borrow, and so that would be 904, put the decimal, 24.09. So K equals 24.09. This is a multiplication equation. So this is a multiplication equation that would be undone by division. So you would do 1.2 divided, and it would cancel out, and then 1.2 here as well. So then you would divide 1.44 by 1.2, and the decimal would go over twice, 1, 2, and it would go right here. So 120 goes into 144 once, with 24, no, with 24 remaining. You would bring down a 0, and your answer would be 1.2, because 120 goes into 240 twice. So, answer would be y equals 1.2. So this is a division equation that is undone by multiplication. So you would multiply 8.2, and it would be undone, and then you would multiply 8.2 here as well, and then it's negative 0.6, so it would be 8.2 multiplied by negative 0.6 equals 2 times, oh, it's different signs, so 2 times 12, 8 times 8 plus 1 is 49. You put your 0, and then 2 times 0 is 0, and 8 times 0 is 0. So your answer is 492, and so n equals 492. Negative 492. I'm sorry. Your answer equals negative 492. So this is how you add fractions. So it would be, you wouldn't even need to find the LCM because it's already common multiples. So you would put the numerators on top, 6 plus 3 over 15, and it would equal 9/15, and then you would simplify it, which is 9/15 divided by 3 divided by 3, and that equals 3/5. Thank you for listening. So this is how you subtract fractions. You find the LCM, and 24 and 2, and 24. Now I already know mentally that 24 is the common multiple. 4, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24, as you can see, and your LCM is 24. And then you will do 21 24ths, and 1/2. And you multiply that by 12, and multiply that by 12, and it equals 12 24ths. And this one, you multiply by 1, and multiply by 1, and it equals 21 24ths. And then you would do 21 plus 24. No, sorry. It's actually 21 plus 12 over 24. And your answer is 33 24ths. Oh no, it's subtraction. My bad, it's subtraction. And it's 9 24ths. And it can be simplified to 3/8. So this is how to multiply fractions. So you would put 1/4 times. No. You would do 1 times 2 and 4 times 3, and 2 and 4 cancel each other out. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6, and your answer is 1/6. Thank you for listening. So this is how to divide fractions. So you would put 3/4, keep it the same, and make a multiplication, and make it 7/6, and then you would make it 3 times 7 over 4 times 6. With 3 times 7, or no, you could reduce. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 times 7 equals 7, and 4 times 2 equals 8. And yeah, that'll be your answer. So thank you very much. So this is how you solve equations containing fractions. This is a subtraction. So you do subtract by 1/6 and subtract by 1/6, which equals, take that goes, and this equals m equals 5/6 minus 1/6, which equals 4/6. This is addition for solving equations containing fractions. So you would add 1/5, and then you would add 1/5 on both sides. So then that would be n equals 3/5 plus 1/5, which equals 4/5. So n equals 4/5. So this is how you would do equations with fractions inside. So these would cancel out, and then x equals 4 times 5, which equals 20. Okay, so you would start right here, and it would be 1/6. It's reciprocal, and that will come out, and 1/6, and then you would do 1/6 times 1/2. It says 1 times 1 and 6 times 2, which equals 1/12. Thank you very much.